Okay everyone, in the last video we've learned how to install React, and if you haven't watched it, I recommend you watch it. I will put the link of the video on the description. In this video we are going to learn how to clean up React default files. So we are going to clean up all files that come with React and start create a first component, which is Hello World. Alright, I have run React. As you see over here, React is running on port 3000 in localhost. Okay, let's clean up these files together. Actually, we don't really need these files for our project, so I'm going to remove it. And we don't actually need logo. This logo is this logo, okay? And let me remove it. Just ignore the errors that happen over here. Okay, next I recommend you to delete app test because we don't actually test our app, so you can remove it. And you can also remove these CSS files as well. Okay, and for the index we can clean it up by remove all code over here, but I will leave index.css over here. Go to index.js. So actually when we remove the previous files from our projects, we have to remove the import over here as well. So I'm going to remove this one, and I will remove React strict mode as well. Just leave app over here. This is enough for me to get started with React. Then we just remove report web vital, so we can remove it over here as well. And let's remove what else? SVG logo. So the logo is in app.js, so I'm going to remove this logo out of here to solve error down below here. So we can remove app.css over here. Then we have one error. I'm going to remove this one header. Okay, we have no error at all right now, but when we go to web browser, we see nothing over here. Alright, we will start create component in our first React application. Click on source over here and then create new folder and type component. Every component in my projects will be inside this component folder. Let's create files over here, new files, and name is HelloWorld.js. Then let's create a functional component. I will type R app CE and hit enter. It will create functional component for me. So this happened because I install extension. This extension React ES7 React snippet. I recommend you install this extension on your computer. So you can learn more about it down below here. There is description over here, and you can also install this one too, simple React snippet. So I really like this extension, so I recommend you install it on your computer. So the next step, let's go back to our helloworld.js. So we will save this one. We have finished our Hello World component over here. Next step, I'm going to import this component in app to show on desktop, because app component has been attached in index. See, when the application first load, is load this root.render, and then is call app component, so which is located over here, and then our app component will call hello world. So I'm going to import hello world over here. Let me import hello world. See, hello world form component hello world. So I can use this component over here. Save. And then you will see hello world over here. I can use this component as many times as I want. For example, I can copy it and paste it down below here. If I paste it 3 times, it will show hello world 3 times on desktop. See? This is the benefits of component. You can replicate it as much as you can, and you can even use it in other components. Alright, this is all about this video. If you like this video, feel free to click like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you so much for watching.